Hello and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're watching it for the first time. Do not forget to leave without liking, sharing, subscribing. Also recently, like I did a Kiara Advani's makeup look, वो बहुत ही cute आया था, so you guys can check that out. So we are going to talk about health of the hair. I had a backstory of hair fall. I wanted to share it with you guys so that if in case you get some information, you can follow these steps and you can also get your hair fall managed. So if you guys have been watching my videos from before, you would know that I was talking a lot about hair fall back like after I got my hair colored and everything. So around September, October in 2022, I started seeing a lot of hair fall, and it was टू सच अ एक्सटेंट कि मतलब ऐसे बाल में ऐसे हाथ डालने से ना इतने ज़्यादा बाल आ जाते थे हाथ में कि इट्स वेरी डिप्रेसिंग ऑल्सो, यू नो, लाइक एकदम मेंटली आपको बहुत ख़राब लगता है कि आई एम हैविंग सो मच ऑफ हेयर फॉल एंड कैन गिव्स यू सो मच ऑफ टेंशन ऑल्सो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दैट. स्पेशली आफ्टर वॉशिंग माई हेयर वुड फॉल सो मच, क्योंकि वॉश करते वक्त वो और ज़्यादा टैंगल हो जाते थे. उसके बाद तो उन्हें छूने में भी डर लगता था, आई स्वेयर. एंड आई रियलाइज दैट माई नॉर्मल शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर आर नॉट हेल्पिंग मी. आई हैव चेंज सो मेनी शैम्पू कंडीशनर. उस टाइम बहुत चेंज किया था अलग अलग लोगों से पूछ के. So I thought of going forward to more of a healthy diet and trying to take my sleep on time and nice sleeping schedule and everything, because that could be also the reason that it is affecting me, a lot. One of my elder sister told me that I should go for more like Ayurvedic based products, more natural products I should go for, because these products in the market these days, they might have a lot of sulfates and parabens and all of that, and that we don't want. So first and foremost is your diet. Your diet is very very important. What you take inside your body is super important. It's not only depending on कि आप क्या बाहर से लगा रहे हो, क्या products लगा रहे हो, सिर्फ इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. And also try to inculcate more of like exercise and everything, because that will help you to overall balance your weight as well. And in case maybe अगर कोई डिजीज़ या कोई प्रॉब्लम की वजह से हो रही है तो वो चीज़ भी आपकी चली जाएगी. What I did is I started taking more of proteins and vitamins and good amount of like fruits and vegetables. बहुत ज़्यादा मैं अपने डाइट में डालने लगी instead of taking on breads and all of that. I absolutely cancelled on the processed food. That's what I'm telling you. And next thing that I did, as like my sister told me, तो मैंने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया and then I found out Kama Ayurveda. So I saw that Kama Ayurveda has really good reviews, and also उसकी वेबसाइट जब मैं गई तो उसके पूरे सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के इंग्रेडिएंट्स वगैरह जब मैंने देखे, देन आई रियलाइज दैट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर लाइक एक्चुअली रियली गुड एंड वर्थ ट्राइंग. आपने भी शायद कभी ना कभी तो सुना ही होगा, टीवी में देखा होगा कि Bhringraj is super good for your hair. All of these products that I'm going to tell you about today, they have really good ingredients of indigo, eucalypta alba, gooseberry that promotes hair growth. Apart from that, they have antifungal licorice, antibacterial balloon wine, and these are basically very good treatments for hair loss, premature graying and dandruff, and basically to nurture your damaged hair back to its healthy condition. Firstly, I tried out this Bring Adi Telam intensive hair treatment from Kama Ayurveda, and this is the first product जो मैंने उनके वेबसाइट से लिया था. And how I used to use it is, मैं हर 4-5 दिन में ऑयल करने की कोशिश करती थी जितना ज़्यादा हो सके, क्योंकि मैं हीट भी बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ because of styling and everything. And I used to take good coin size amount, and then I used to apply it, and I used to chump it very nicely on the scalp, specifically targeting on the scalp. Put your 4 fingers over here and then 4 fingers more. This is exactly the point where I used to chump it very nicely and properly. Well, that's what my mother and my grandmothers and all of that, they always say. So I used to chump it very nicely, and मैं टाइम लेके उसको प्रॉपर्ली मसाज करती थी. I used to give a time to apply this nicely, and ताकि ब्लड फ्लो भी अच्छा से हो जाए. मैं पहले क्या करती थी कि I used to wear the oil and sleep overnight, but ऐसा नहीं करना है. I've learned that you should be using this before shampooing, so I used to use it before shampoo. तो 2-3 घंटे में रखती थी. And also इसकी एक चीज़ ये है कि इसमें ना बहुत ही सूदिंग टाइप की क्वालिटी है. लाइक जब मैं लगाती थी तो it used to just calm down. Like even if you're having stress, you can use this. ये इतना ज़्यादा अच्छे से calm down कर देगा ना आपको. Oil actually stays in your scalp for some time before you shampoo it off. तो वो आपके स्कैल्प को एक्चुअली डायरेक्टली टारगेट कर सकता है. तो ये इतने अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज करता था मेरे स्कैल्प को. दैट इज़ वाई आई एक्चुअली वॉज एबल टू टैकल माई डैंड्रफ, बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ डैंड्रफ. स्पेसिफिकली इन द विंटर सीजन मुझे डैंड्रफ हो ही जाता है. तो इट हैज़ वर्कड रियली वेल, एंड देन आई वॉज लाइक कि लेट मी ट्राई आउट द होल रेंज फ्रॉम इट, ताकि एक अच्छे से मुझे पता चलेगा कि कितना फ़ायदा हो रहा है. सो आई गॉट द शैम्पू एज वेल एंड आई गॉट द कंडीशनर एज वेल. Kama Ayurveda Bring Adi Hair Cleanser. This is volumizing, nourishing and repairing. It is light watery texture. It comes with a pump like this, and when I used to apply it, this one also has a very like cooling and like very soothing sort of sensation. The one thing that I would say is that it does not foam up unnecessarily. आप बहुत सारे शैम्पूज देखेंगे जिसमें इतना ज़्यादा फोम होता है and everything. That is actually because of the presence of sulfates, and I do not want that. Because of that reason इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फोम भी आपको नहीं लगेगा, and it is very lightweight also. also like you can wash it off very आराम से also. This can reduce hair fall by 60% and oily scalp in just 28 days. Finally following up the shampoo with the conditioner. Conditioner की packaging भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. I mean I like this matte sort of finish. The new pack that I got after using the one like एक है जो completely खत्म हो चुका है. So this is the new pack that I've got and this is the Kamaayurveda Bring Adi hair conditioner that is for strengthening and smoothing, and it has Bring Adi oil actives in it, and I absolutely love this. This is by far the very good texture of conditioner that I've used, very creamy and smooth and soft. So what I do is after shampooing, like after using this cleanser, I'll take a coin size amount, good amount in my hands, and then I'll just kind of take it in my fingers and then I'll just apply it in the ends of my hair very nicely. I'll apply it all over the ends and then I let to keep it for like 4-5 minutes के लिए वो normally रहता है. It has worked very beautifully, like moisturized my ends so much. 5-6 महीने हो गए मुझे हेयर कट किए हुए, लिटरली अभी तक मुझे स्प्लिट एंड्स नहीं दिख रहे हैं. लाइक जब मैंने हेयर कलर करवाया था तब हेयर कट भी करवाया था, बट उसके बाद से अभी तक मुझे स्प्लिट एंड्स नहीं दिखे हैं. तो ओवरऑल मेरे डैंड्रफ की प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व हो गई एंड जो नॉर्मल एक हेयर का हेल्थ होता है ना, एक नाइस हेयर हेल्थ दैट यू वांट, दैट आई गॉट बैक बिकॉज मेरी स्टाइलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा होती थी, हीट बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होता था. सो दैट इज वाई आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस कॉम्बो ऑफ 3 थिंग्स. सो आई हैव बीन सीइंग रियली गुड रिजल्ट्स विद ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स and changing my diet and my exercise routine and taking good sleep and everything. ये सब कुछ मिला के जब मैंने after see you have to wait for some time, okay, instantly कुछ भी काम नहीं करने वाला. So that is why I've used it for almost you can say 6 months now. So I can already see results. So definitely you should go and check it out for yourself. First I will say just try out with a shampoo or maybe at least oil. At least one more thing that I have to say is please know the root cause of your hair fall, क्योंकि hair fall का cause कुछ भी हो सकता है. If it is because of some underlying disease then you definitely have to take care of that separately. If it is because of any lack in the diet or because of excessive heating, styling, blah blah blah, like all of those keratin treatments and stuff like that, तो हर चीज़ का एक process अलग होता है. But definitely I would say कि just know your root cause so that you can treat it accordingly. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is what I had to share with you guys. Last but not the least, I'll see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. And yeah.